together. We just weren't there for the other videos. So, yeah, thank you. Publicize, Nancy Ezra.